So you spend a lot of time and resources in designing your website. But what happens when you share your website link? So you can test this out yourself. You can share your website on Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other platform that supports Open Graph. By the way, one of my websites looks like this. Just a blog, no special things. Let's fix that. And if you don't know, this is 100 days of fixing your website. Today is day 19. So what your website is missing are open graph tags. They were invented by Facebook back in 2010, but now every major social platform, WhatsApp, Twitter, I think Instagram, supports open graph tags. So you need to fix open graphs so that your website looks better when shared. Now to add open graph tags to your website in a better, easier managed way, you should use all-in-one SEO. It has some features built in. Let me show you. So once you install the free version, that also works. You can go to all-in-one SEO, go to social networks. And inside social networks, you can embed your social profiles here, but that's different. You usually have to go to Facebook, and you can do the same thing for Twitter and Pinterest. I'm going to show you how Facebook works. So the first option you see is enable open graph markup. This has to be enabled, otherwise it won't work. So if you disable this, everything else goes away. So make sure it's enabled, and then you'll see the settings here. Default post image source, which is set to default image set below. So here we'll set a default image that will be used when any of your blog posts are shared. So let's do that. So I just selected this image. You can also do this for term. That means any archive pages, category or tag pages that is done. You can do the same thing here as well. And now this is done too. And you can always select some more default options, more settings here. So you can go and explore this. But the preview option is something that's interesting, and the homepage settings are also interesting. So for the homepage, this is how it looks like. For the homepage, you need to go and edit your homepage settings directly. But let me show you how to configure this on a per post basis, because right now the changes we made apply to all the pages and posts on your website. So first, let's save our changes. So I'm going to post on my website, and I'm using all-in-one SEO. I'll scroll down to the bottom. I'll find all-in-one SEO settings here. Inside, I'll go to social, and in social, I have Facebook and I have Twitter. And you can see the Facebook preview now shows my image, which I've set as default. So this is what should start showing up. And you can also set a title. So I'll just set it to post title, which should show your post title. And then you can also set a description. So I'll set an excerpt and then the image source for this post. So if you want to set up a different image for this post, you can do it here. Or you can also select the images that are attached to the post. So featured image, attached image, first image in content, image from custom field, post author, everything else. So if you want your photo to show up with every post that you share, you can just set it to post author image. Make sure your author image is uploaded to your site, and it should work. You can even set videos and other settings. So this is where you can customize it on a per page basis, and in the settings, you set it for default all pages on your site. Now, once you've made these changes, your website should start showing up automatically with rich data. But if it doesn't, here's how to fix it and double check it. Meta has a tool called sharing debugger. This is the URL. I'll place it in the description, also in the pinned comment, and you can post your website link here or the blog post link here and click debug. This will force a refresh on your website. So if any website is not picking up the rich data, it'll start picking up the rich data after you've configured an all-in-one SEO and then sharing debugger. So go install all-in-one SEO, use the sharing debugger to make your website look beautiful whenever it's shared. And of course, don't follow me for more amazing website building tips.